Hello friends, welcome to my channel Lalita'S kitchen. Today we are going to make Methi Paratha. Let's see the ingredients what we need. One bun chopped methi, and one bowl is wheat flour, 1 cup small cup of besan, chopped chilies, salt as per taste, turmeric, red chili powder, garam masala and little bit jeera, and just pinch of sugar I am adding. This is optional. If you want you can, otherwise you can skip that. I am using for making dough this food processor. I will add everything. This is for exact 5 people can eat. This much quantity we can make. Now besan, chilies, salt, jeera, sugar, turmeric, chili powder and garam masala. Ending will add this chopped methi, and little bit oil we have to add, and water will put slowly. This 1 spoon of oil add. Slowly I will add water. Now dough is ready. I will rest this dough for 10 minutes. I will keep it aside. After resting this dough, I am making balls to make a methi paratha. To roll it, I will make now. And by the time I will switch on the gas. I will switch on the gas. I kept the pan for frying methi paratha. Yeah, now I am rolling this chapati methi paratha. You have to roll it slowly because this dough will be very soft after resting 10 minutes. So you have to roll very slowly, and the pan is hot. I will fry this paratha. You can apply oil or ghee, but here I am applying oil because of softness. Now winter season, if you put ghee, it will become little bit hard, so I am applying oil. And we add here besan, so it will be a very different taste for methi paratha. Now this paratha is ready. I am removing in this plate. One more I will do. Methi paratha is ready to serve, and you can eat with mango pickles, raita, curd, or any gravy. And enjoy this video. Try this at home. And if you like my video, please subscribe, like and share, and tell your friends and relatives. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you. Bye bye once again.